Homemade exfoliating cucumber and chamomile soap for hands and feet. Hey lovely people! In today's video I'm sharing my homemade exfoliating cucumber and chamomile soap. Perfect for tired hands and feet. I used homegrown cucumber peel, chamomile, and natural oils like peppermint, argan, and cucumber oil. These soaps are soothing, refreshing, and gently exfoliating, ideal for a self-care ritual rooted in nature. Ingredients: 300 grams. Stephenson's Shea Butter Soap Base, 300 grams. Stephenson's Crystal Clear Soap Base, dried cucumber peel from homegrown cucumber, 1 tablespoon chamomile oil, 1 teaspoon peppermint oil, 1 teaspoon argan oil, 1 teaspoon cucumber oil from infused peel, optional, extra dried cucumber mulch for exfoliating. Dry and crush cucumber peel. Dry cucumber peel naturally. Once crisp, crush them using a mortar and pestle. Infuse and strain. Add crushed peel to a saucepan of water. Simmer for 10 minutes. Let cool. Then strain through a sieve and cotton cloth. Keep the soft mulch and squeeze out infused cucumber. Blend in oils. Add chamomile, peppermint, argan and cucumber oils. Stir well. Prepare soap base. Cube both bases, 300 grams Shea plus 300 grams clear, and melt in the microwave for 3 minutes or until fully melted. Add exfoliant. Add the soft cucumber mulch, left over from infusion, to the soap base for a gentle scrub effect. Stir well. Pour into molds. Pour the mixture into your favorite molds and allow to set completely. And this is the result. The benefits of homemade exfoliating cucumber and chamomile soap. Cucumber soothes and cools. Chamomile calms and heals. Peppermint refreshes tired feet. Argan oil moisturizes and softens. Visit my website at ggcrystalgifts.co.uk.